Alright, let's go to Europe in Thailand. Khao Yai is a spot you can't miss. Not only is the weather amazing, but there are tons of fun activities, beautiful place to explore, and so many cute cafes everywhere. Now we are in Khao Yai. So beautiful. Weather so good. Not too cold, not too hot. It's medium. It's amazing. Wow. So beautiful. I like here. Today is Tuesday. Not too much people. It should be like this, like relax, nature. Is this Mudang? Now Mudang is so famous in Thailand. Wow, there is swimming pool. I should looking. See how swimming pool look like. It's second floor. Can you do like this? Can you do like this?
Can you just stay?
And stay.
So when we go in 20 minutes?
Now I think it should be now because it's sunset.
Yes, sunset now is finished in 20 minutes. You don't want to watch it?
I want to watch it.
Okay. Enjoy. And we will go in 20 minutes. Mukata?
Cannot see sunset in this way. Maybe I need to walk to there. I hope it's not dangerous. Wow. Oosh. Oops. Still not see. Okay, turn back. Let's go to the room.
สามารถเดินขึ้นล็อบบี้ได้
อ๋อ ตรงนี้คือล็อบบี้ได้ โอเค
ใช่เป็นห้องนี้แล้วก็ห้องนี้
ใช่ค่ะวางไว้ได้เลยค่ะ
Короче, давай через 20 минут.
We this one?
No?
อ๋อ ขอบคุณค่ะ Beautiful?
Oh,
ฮะ
smell like grandma house.
Not bad. It's good. Okay. Let's preparing and go to Mukata. We are going to dinner. Here is barbecue, Mukata and Shabu. 4 ที่ค่ะ
เล่นตัวได้เลย
So beautiful. I'm too hungry, even I forgot to take a picture. Super big. This is Thailand. Hi. Hi. Huh? Oh, we need flyers, right?
It's okay.
What do you want?
Nothing.
Really?
I need your recommendation again.
Wow. Is Harper strong here?
Go now.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go.
we accidentally passed this way. That's why we're parking and just watching. Actually, I plan to come here tomorrow, but wow, so good. It's not live music.
Not live.
Is it audio?
Yeah.
Sad. So beautiful. Tomorrow we will come.
Let's see.
Like 3, 2, 1, go. And then song. I show you one. Like this. Have you watched like 1, 2, 3, 4 and you kick 0.5? Okay.
Okay.
But need to this wheel first.
Okay, let's go.
No, I need this. Recording. Here is special for who want to travel Europe but low budget.
Yeah.
Because here is free. You come here for free. Yeah. And
Amazing.
You can get beautiful view here. Yeah.
Okay, a beautiful view here. You just cut what it was before.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
See people?
No.
Here is so beautiful. So beautiful. Right? It's actually a hotel, restaurant, and a place that you can take a photo for free. Morning. Now we take breakfast. Today is second day. We're going to cafe. Actually, I've been here before. It's have car for driving, but need to pay. And have many animal here. Over there is have horse. Small horse is over there. I don't know in English how to call, but I like this one more than bigger because he's so cute. Hi. Hi. In Thailand, ho say like hee. In Thailand, cat meow meow meow. And how to call them? You don't know?
You're how to call in Kazakhstan?
In Thailand, it's hee hee.
No, I think it's like.
Huh?
No?
Really?
Yeah.
They make it. They make it.
Both of them.
But they bite each other.
Yeah, both of them is girl.
Let's take some coffee.
Take some coffee. Kamu damdong.
I want tea.
Tea? Hot tea?
Mm-hmm.
ชาร้อนอยู่ตรงไหนอะคะ ชาร้อน อ๋อ Way here you can rent mini car maybe 30 minutes to drive here. Maybe it's have many type of car here. This one is not for rent, it's just for show. But another can be rent. See? So small. Pretty. Let's take a look on here. It is have many car. Okay. Schedule. This time I need to go another place. That's why I don't drive car now. Let's go. 90% up to Atlantic Adventure. But we are only one customer. Seem like private. This is activity. Oh, it's have paintball combat. What is it? I don't know. I never try.
Archery.
Actually, ancient gun.
Ding.
Laser game. Sound good.
Vintage.
อย่างยิงธนูค่ะ1ชุดได้10ลูกค่ะลูกค้า
หนึ่งชุดได้10 ลูกเท่าไหร่คะ
150 บาทค่ะ
150 บาท How many people? 4? 3? Anything else? Gun?
Of course.
How many? How many people play? 3. เอายิงปืนโบราณ3ยิงธนู3ค่ะ
Yes.
I guess they really need marketing. Looks super old. Maybe already 10 years here. Okay, first activity. Huh?
You know, snake.
Where?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh, snake.
Ебать ты, блядь, подруга.
Wow. This snake have poison?
Maybe yes.
I'm sure that yes. А ты видишь?
It's still here.
У нее...
Supernatural.
Смотри, muchas змеи.
Okay, maybe we need to be careful.
В одно и то же туда...
Want to dance?
В одно и то же
This place is so safe because here is no people.
Yeah, I guess they need marketing to advertise here.
Он не хочет просто все шалявый.
Okay.
จะไม่เมื่อยค่ะ ถ้าเอามืออีกข้างหนึ่งจับด้านหน้าตรงนี้ใช่ค่ะจับตีว
Smell like
Димон, скажи, пожалуйста, у нас есть мастер-майнд, я просто сейчас. Сын начал снимать, а вы начали залетать.
I think this is smell for bomb.
Maybe.
Возможность еще вписаться
No, it's yours.
Tyrant. By the way, here is a lot of people, but water so blue, so crystal clear. It's nature water. You should try. Not too much foreigner here because it's local place. And here can entrance fee. How?
Okay, not too cold.
Not too cold?
Like in swimming pool.
Look, so green. Wow. It's like crystal. Over here is have some small fish. You see? Small fish. And this is Lakes of Electric Shop. I guess maybe have jellyfish here.
Можно идти дальше.
That's good. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.